Good morning, students. I, Neha, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul online classes. Dear student, as you know that in our previous lecture, we have already started our chapter 2, The Adventures of Toto, from the book Moments. So today, we will continue this chapter. So let's continue the chapter. As we have discussed in the first stanza, how Toto the monkey came to grandfather's private zoo. And in the second stanza, we get to know that how Toto looked like, what was his physical appearance. So now, see the next stanza. Grandmother always was when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. So it was decided that Toto's present should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. Grandfather and I put him away in the little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. So narrator's grandmother always get angry when grandfather brought home any animal or bird. So it was decided by him that they hide this fact from grandmother that they brought a new member, Toto the monkey, to his house. So the narrator and his grandfather hide Toto in a little almirah that was in the wall of narrator's bedroom. There they tied Toto with the peg. Peg means a hook that fixed into the wall. They were sure that Toto will remain here, but what happened after that, let's see in the next stanza. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. After some hour, when grandfather and the narrator came to see the Toto, they came to release him. But what they found there? They found that Toto torn all the paper that covered the wall, and now the wall was naked. Brick and plaster were showing there. Naked means uncovered. Now it was uncovered. Toto torn all the paper from the wall. The peg in the wall had been wrenched. What is the meaning of wrench? Broke, pulled out from its socket. Socket means attachment, the hole in the wall. And my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shred. Shred means cut into pieces. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather did not worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performances. The peg in the wall through which Toto was tied up, Toto pulled out that peg from the hole in the wall and also torn the narrator's school blazer, which was hanging there. He torn the blazer into pieces. They were shocked to see this mess. The narrator says that he was worried that what grandmother said when she saw this mess. But grandfather did not worry. In fact, he was happy to see this naughtiness of little monkey because he loves animal. He was fond of animal. He has no problem with that. So that's why grandfather commented that Toto was very clever. In fact, see in the next paragraph. In fact, the grandfather commented that he is very clever. Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. He said that if Toto could get the time, he could have tied the torn pieces of blazer and made a rope with that and could have escaped from window. So he was happy to see that Toto was a clever monkey. His presence in the house still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servant quarters where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. Sociably means in a very friendly manner. So now also grandmother did not know about this new member in the family. His presence is now also a secret for her. So that's why it has been decided that they transfer Toto into a big cage in the servants' quarter where the others pet of grandfather lived in a friendly manner. And who are they? A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and a pet goat. So, grandfather shifted Toto there with other pet animals. But the monkey would not allow any of his companions to sleep at night. But the Toto, as you know, that was a very naughty monkey. He would not allow any of his partner to sleep at night. During whole night, he teased all the other animal. He did not allow them to sleep. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. Pension means money that get after retirement. So next day grandfather had to leave Dehradun because he had to go Saharanpur to collect his pension. So that's why grandfather decided to take Toto with him. And what was grandfather's experience during that traveling with Toto, we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you and have a good day.